No be by only Oyibo dem dey take sabi book o.
For today, which is artificial intelligence. It's true. Artificial intelligence is the future of the world of computers today. People no longer want desktop applications anymore, or web applications, or just normal web applications. People want web applications that can learn, that can crawl, web applications that can provide data visualization, do predictive analysis. And you see people switching from programs like PHP to programs like Python and R programming. It is true that the future of artificial intelligence and the future of the world of computers is in artificial intelligence. But let's take a deep breath and reason. The future is actually determined by both the past and the present. If we want to build a better future, we have to learn from the past and harness the opportunities of the present. So, what is presently in the world of computers today? Can someone tell me, what do we have that is presently in the world of computers today that is not necessarily programming, or even people that are non-computer scientists making wave in it right now? Can anyone tell me? You get a 1,000 euro if you can tell me the real answer.
Huh?
What is in the world of computers today that is not programming but is taking the center place? Anybody? Anybody?
No be by only Oyibo dem dey take sabi book o.
Digital marketing. You will have heard people talking about stuff like search engine optimization, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, robots.txt, sitemaps. It's taking the center stage in the world of computers today. And we are studying Pidgin. We want to harness the opportunity of digital marketing by providing good content, good tutorial content. So we want to be the Udemy of Nigeria, the Coursera of Nigeria, but using the Pidgin language. Let's watch this video to know what we are trying to study.
Study Pidgin gives you straight to the point educational videos in Pidgin language. Watch and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Twitter, and Facebook pages with the handle Study Pidgin.
So, I guess the video is self-explanatory. Pardon my Pidgin. If person come here now, come crack joke for English, I should say many of us don't even understand. Many of us don't even get the joke. But if that person crack the same joke for Pidgin, some of us will laugh. We will laugh tired. We won't even peace for body. So Pidgin has this magic.
No be by only Oyibo dem dey take sabi book o.